So really today is about anybody that's on the call that's already using Inventor or has tried to use Inventor in the woodworking trades, and for those really I guess moving over from AutoCAD to kind of understand the differences of where say Inventor stops and the Woodwork for Inventor add-on sort of takes over in that modelling process. So you're going to get to know the tools that are available to you, and then you're going to be able to make an informed decision as to those benefits. So the idea is that you can come in here, and as you can see, you can assign different thicknesses for different edge banding, for example. But we're just going to pick the laminated board, and I'm just going to ripple through, and you can pick the model or you can pick in the browser, and we just apply the materials. So I guess one of the things that's different is we're actually selecting the panels, and it will show you the actual raw edge of the actual panel itself, which is slightly different to just applying materials just using the standard sort of Inventor appearances. So I've just changed that side panel just to demonstrate applying a veneer. So we can apply veneers directly to either the edges of that board, or in this case I'm just going to go on the two faces. So that means then I've got the ability to go and use the grain direction tool. So we can actually rotate the grain direction by a certain amount. So in this case I've just rotated it by 45 degrees. Plastic moulding that we're going to put into the panel. So let's have a look at that. So we have the model, we're back to where we were, and what we use is we use work planes to position our hardware. So I'm actually going to put in some minifixes here as just an example, but equally these could just be standard screws. So we're going to use our attach tool, and we have a library. So I have a library here which you can go and choose some of these standard components from, and what we have is we have an eye feature, an eye part I should say, not feature, an eye part that contains the information. So just flash the table up there inadvertently just to remind me, but effectively what we do is we define the panel faces, as you can see, and we choose the axes, and what it'll do is it'll populate and put all the hardware in automatically.